Welcome back. Margaret and Greta are here with the Duplicate Bridge Club, and they're here to talk to you about a lot of different things that are coming up. As usual, you guys always have a lot going on. But first, welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
Nice to see you again.
Oh, nice to be here.
And then, Margaret, we're going to start with you.
Yes. The first thing I want to tell our audience about is our weekly Bridge Blast. You can sign up by going to the lagunabridge.com homepage, and down towards the bottom there's a link to the Bridge Blast, and every Thursday night it's sent out and it tells you all about the activities that are happening for the next week. It's very informative. As a matter of fact, this is an example.
This is an
right
example.
On our screen.
Okay, so it will pretty much list, and you can scroll down in the email all the different things. So you have your classes, and then you have,
and the flyers are linked.
Oh, good.
So it's easy to navigate, and just a few steps to get started. And once you're on board, you will be always informed about what's happening at the Bridge Club.
Okay, and how do they do that again?
They go to lagunabridge.com, the homepage, and down towards the bottom, there'll be a link to the weekly Bridge Blast.
Okay, great.
Okay?
Good. And they just have to put in their email address?
Yes, it's a couple steps. You click, and then you hear from you hear back, and then you enter your name and your email address, and then you get another confirmation. Okay. So there's a couple steps to it, but it's well worth it.
Perfect.
If you want to stay on top of things.
There you go. Yes. I like that, because then you, at least like you said, you can kind of plan ahead, like, oh, I can do that, rather than having to wait for something else.
It's a weekly.
Oh, good.
Yes. Really good.
Yeah, because you guys have a lot of stuff going on every week.
Exactly. It's a great advantage to our bridge players.
Excellent. And then you also have classes that you're teaching.
I'm right in the middle of my classes. This series is on the Stamen Convention, Jacoby transfers, the Strong 2 Club opening, and some slam bidding. And we're teaching on Monday night from 6:30 to 8:30, and Friday morning from 9:30 to 11:30. And it makes it nice because I teach the class first on Monday evening, and if those folks can't make it, hopefully they'll be able to make the Friday morning class. It's almost interchangeable. And likewise, if you know ahead of time you can't make that Friday morning class, try to get to the Monday evening class. And we'll keep you on board and learning your way through bridge.
You guys are always so good about having beginner classes and helping everybody with all those different things you guys do.
Well, it's the key. It's the key to our success, to keep people interested and learning.
Right.
If you're a lifelong learner, bridge is the game for you.
Right. And that way people don't get frustrated.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Yes.
Now, Greta, you have some other things that you would like to share with us.
Oh, right. We have a 0 to 20 game on Saturday mornings, and we have a couple of mentors that help the people with their bidding. I was there this last Saturday. We had 5 tables, and they're very enthusiastic.
Okay.
And these people are just continuing right on. They're going to make very good bridge players, I know.
Oh, good.
And Mike Murray has a brief lesson, probably, I would say about maybe 20, 25 minutes, but he's talking on a specific subject. The last one was on squeeze plays. Whoa, that was interesting.
And what we try to do is transition the people who attend the beginning bridge classes into the Saturday morning class. It's a perfect opportunity for them.
So it's like a step up.
Yes, and they could even earn master points that they're using the bridge mate, and they're playing with the same cards as far as the common game at the 0 to 20 game. So it's like a real game for them. And they're so excited about earning 0.12 master points.
So what's the difference between a regular point and a master point?
Well, the master points are a method of achievement. So, you need like 300 or 500 master points to become a life master, but there's other levels along the way to be a club master, a sectional master, and so forth. So these are achievement points for them, and they really are excited about that once they start accumulating points. So this is a great way for them to get started.
And the points are color-coded. In the bridge clubs, mostly you earn black points. And then you go to the sectionals to earn silver points. And then you go to the regionals to earn red and gold points. And you have to have so many at each level to achieve a life master status, and then there's bronze life master, silver life master, and all the way up to grand life master.
Wow. Well, do they is this just bragging rights kind of a thing, or do they get prizes?
Well,
it's
what's
bragging
the goal
rights.
here?
well, we have a board at the club that
Okay.
when they achieve a certain level, the picture goes up there.
Oh,
and now
so yeah.
this one has achieved sectional life
Nice.
master, and they really feel this is you
Yeah.
know, recognition,
Right.
and that's what people.
And
It's something to
everybody
strive for.
knows when they walk by that
Yes,
they
board.
do.
Yes.
It's right there. Their picture is up
That's
there.
cute.
Yes,
I like
and then,
that.
and then at our monthly unit game, which is on the second Sunday of the month, we announce not only new people who have joined our unit, but people who have advanced in rank.
Oh, nice.
And they get recognition, and by
Yeah, nice
a round of
little clap.
applause. Yes,
All right.
yes.
All right, excellent. Okay, what else? There's a couple other little things.
Well, I'm teaching a class, Brush Up on Basics. I'll be doing another class on Wednesday, August 14th. And this is on using doubles, the takeout double, the negative double, the lead directing double, the stolen bid double, all these various doubles, and how you respond when your partner comes up with that double. And I had 5 tables again this last time, so a good group on that. And then another important thing coming up, that's not till August 14th, but on the 10th of August, we are going to have a memorial game for one of our past leaders in the club, Sybil Barzilay. She passed away a couple of years ago. She was a good friend of mine, but she's the one who really was the backbone of that club.
Okay.
Saw that everything got done. So it'll be a nice Saturday afternoon game and preceded by a nice lunch for everyone.
great.
So everyone in the club is invited to that event, and I just think it's a nice way to keep her in our memory, because we
Yes.
wouldn't have the club we have if it hadn't been for Sybil.
Oh, that's very nice. That'll be nice. That was August 10th. Okay, and then we
August.
have one other thing that's Saturday and Sunday, August 24th and 25th.
Yes. Last but not least, this is our annual Non-Life Master Sectional. Now, if just a few minutes ago I told you that at a sectional you earn silver points, and they're critical for achieving additional rank. So we really encourage all of our non-life masters, that's somebody that has between 0 and 750 points, to plan to come to this event. It'll be very nice. There'll be lunch served, and it's a wonderful opportunity to compete with people who are really at your level.
That sounds
Yes.
great, and that's all weekend.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so you do have to show up both days?
Well, actually, no, you don't.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, on Saturday there are 2 different games. The first one starts at 10 and the second one starts at 2:30. And on Sunday, they're team games. And once again, they start at 10 o'clock in the morning.
okay.
And there'll be lunch available to purchase for both days. And everybody really looks forward to it.
That's
It's
great.
become more and more popular in different regions of the country. And like I said, you can earn your silver points.
That's
So
right.
You
Well,
want to plan to be there.
Want to earn your silver points
Yeah.
to advance. All right. Well, thank you both so much. I appreciate the information.
Okay.
Always
Great.
nice
to
to
see you.
see
Thank you.
Okay.
And remember, if you want to hear about all of this information, I think the best thing for you to do is to go to lagunabridge.com and get on their newsletter, because there's so much information every week. All right, we'll be right back.
Okay.
Thank you.